Hey, in this video, I'm gonna talk about mental fitness and something around that clicked for me yesterday. So, a couple of days ago, I had one of those days again, one of those low days where everything was feeling off again, and I couldn't really. I kind of got stuck in that feeling that, like, why is this keep going down? I mean, I've been working so many years with these things and having all these tools and modalities and practices, and still I'm in this like mud, and it's like not fun. And all of a sudden it clicked, and I kind of got, whoa. I feel motivated again to be in this space, to be in the mud, because when I'm in the mud, when it's down, when I'm low, I actually get the opportunity to test my mental fitness. And it's like in the other world, in the physical world, where I do work out a lot. I use my body in the gym and I lift weights, and one of the reasons is I want a healthy body, I want a strong body, I want to move shit in the real world, and I get to test that a lot when I move things around the house. And a couple of weeks or months ago, I got some equipment delivered, and I was gonna move it inside, and I was able to actually lift it, and I kind of wow. I actually get a payoff for doing stuff in a gym. I can lift this stuff. I actually am so strong. I can lift things I need in the real world, not just in the gym. And the thing that clicked about the mental fitness is when I'm in the mud, when things are tough or things are low energy or low vibration or whatever you call it, I actually get to test the fitness. How fit is my mental capability? And that was like, oh, okay. Now I kind of feel motivated to be in the mud. So all the practice, all the tools I'll learn, all the meditation I do, how strong is my mental fitness? Yeah, I get to try it out live when I'm there. And I noticed this a couple of days ago when I was there. I actually called a friend. And for me, that was a huge step, because I usually hesitate. Like I know I can do this myself. I have all the tools. I know how to get myself up here. But it was like, I remember, this is a practice I need to practice more, to actually, when I'm down, lift up the phone and call a brother. Yeah. And hey, you, I have something I need to share. Can you hold space for me? And that was, okay, nice. So I did that. And after I did that, I also reminded myself, okay, nice. Every time I'm in the mud, I get the opportunity to test my mental fitness. And it kind of, okay, so that's I love when I had those moments. Okay, I see why I need to be down in the mud. Because that mental fitness, I want it as strong as possible, because maybe right now my life is kind of not so much down in the mud that often, but I know things in relationship and things move around in life. I'm gonna need this mental fitness later on in life as well, so I might as well practice as much as possible. So I kind of started to, I'm feeling grateful for being in the mud. So yeah. And I just wanted to share that experience, that as I get to practice my physical fitness in the real world when I need to lift something, I get to practice my mental fitness when I'm having a internal thing, and it's I get to practice. And that, wow, okay, thank you. I see it now. And when I get those moments, it kind of, okay, thank you. Thank you. Feeling grateful for being in the mud some as well. So I can practice that muscle. So do you practice mental fitness as you do physical fitness? Leave a comment below, please. If you like this kind of just talking comment, talking thingy, leave a comment, like, subscribe, yeah, share it to a friend maybe. Yeah, that's it.